Right now, at this exact moment, something extraordinary is happening 130 million miles from Earth. An object the size of Manhattan, traveling at 150,000 miles per hour, is passing within reach of our sun. And we can't see it. This is 3I Atlas, the third interstellar visitor we've ever detected. And today, October 30th, 2025, is its moment of truth. 4 months ago, on July 1st, astronomers in Chile spotted something unusual racing toward the inner solar system. Within days, they realized this wasn't just another comet. Its trajectory told them everything. 3I Atlas came from another star system. Only the third confirmed interstellar object in human history, after the mysterious Oumuamua in 2017 and Comet Borisov in 2019. But 3I Atlas is different. It's massive, between 1,400 feet and 3.5 miles across. It's fast, moving at over 61 kilometers per second. And according to some estimates, it might be 7 to 14 billion years old, potentially older than our entire solar system. For months, telescopes around the world have tracked its approach. NASA's Hubble, the James Webb Space Telescope, Mars orbiters, all racing to study this ancient traveler before it disappears forever. And then, something nobody expected happened. Today, October 29th at 7:47 a.m. Eastern Time, 3I Atlas reached Perihelion, the closest point to the Sun in its journey. According to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, the timing was calculated with precision down to just a few minutes. This is the most critical moment of the entire encounter. At Perihelion, the comet is being bombarded by intense solar radiation, 770 watts per square meter. If 3I Atlas is a natural comet held together by ice and weak forces, this heating could be tearing it apart right now, creating a spectacular display of fragmentation. But here's the problem. At this exact moment, 3I Atlas is completely hidden from every telescope on Earth, concealed directly behind our star. The most important moment of observation, and we're blind. As Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb wrote on his blog, we don't know what happened to Atlas at Perihelion, as it's hidden from our terrestrial telescopes behind our star. But scientists found a workaround. While Earth-based telescopes are blocked, space-based solar observatories have a clear view. NASA's STEREOA spacecraft, the SOHO satellite, GOES 19 weather satellite, all watching from different angles. And what they're seeing is stunning. According to a new research paper published just this week, 3I Atlas is rapidly brightening as it approaches the Sun. Its brightness is increasing at an extraordinary rate, scaling inversely with distance to the power of -7.5. That's far faster than typical comets brighten. And there's something else. Early observations in July and August showed 3I Atlas glowing red. But as it nears perihelion, new images reveal it's now bluer than the Sun itself. This dramatic color shift suggests something unexpected is happening, possibly emission from heated gases contributing to the visible light. The glow extends 300,000 kilometers around the comet, roughly the distance from Earth to the Moon. Now here's where things get controversial. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb, former chair of Harvard's Astronomy department and founder of the Galileo Project, has suggested that 3I Atlas might not be entirely natural. Loeb has developed what he calls the Loeb scale, a classification system for interstellar objects ranging from 0, definitely natural, to 10, definitely technological. He's assigned 3I Atlas a score of 4. Why? Because of several unusual characteristics. First, its trajectory is aligned within just 5 degrees of the ecliptic plane, where all the planets orbit. For an object from deep interstellar space, this precision has a probability of only 0.2%. Second, in July and August, astronomers observed something unprecedented, a jet of material pointing toward the Sun. Comets always develop tails pointing away from the Sun due to radiation pressure. 3I Atlas did the opposite. Third, it's passing remarkably close to multiple planets, Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, with timing that seems almost coordinated. The probability of these close approaches happening by chance? 0.005%. Fourth, the gas surrounding it contains unusually high levels of nickel, similar to industrial alloys, and very little water. Most comets are 80 to 90% water ice. 3I Atlas? Just 4%. But NASA's lead scientist for small solar system bodies, Tom Statler, is unequivocal. He states, "It looks like a comet. It does comet things. The evidence is overwhelmingly pointing to this object being a natural body." Loeb himself acknowledges the controversy. He told reporters, "It's probably a natural object, but we have to collect as much data as possible. The implication of alien technology would be enormous, and therefore we must take it seriously." So what happens now? By mid-November, 3I Atlas will emerge from behind the Sun and become visible from Earth again. This is when we'll discover what perihelion did to it. If it's a natural comet, we may see evidence of fragmentation, pieces breaking off, increased brightness, a much larger dust cloud. The intense heating may have shattered it. If it survived intact, well, that would raise new questions. On December 19th, 2025, just 6 days before Christmas, 3I Atlas will make its closest approach to Earth, passing 170 million miles away. Far too distant to see with the naked eye, but close enough for our most powerful telescopes to study in unprecedented detail. Hubble and James Webb will capture high-resolution spectra, analyzing its chemical composition. NASA's Juno spacecraft, orbiting Jupiter, will be positioned to observe it in March 2026, potentially even attempting to detect any radio emissions. Radio observers around the world have mobilized for continuous monitoring, searching for any unusual signals, unexpected maneuvers, or changes in trajectory. But beyond the controversy about its origin, 3I Atlas represents something profound. This is a physical sample from another star system, potentially one that formed billions of years before our Sun even existed. It's carrying information about the chemistry, the conditions, the very building blocks that exist in distant regions of our galaxy. NASA's SWIFT telescope detected water vapor escaping from 3I Atlas, proving that the basic ingredients for life exist in other stellar systems. As physicist Dennis Bodowitz put it, when we detect water from an interstellar comet, we're reading a note from another planetary system. Each interstellar visitor has been wildly different. Oumuamua was dry and rocky, Borisov was rich in carbon monoxide, 3I Atlas is rich in carbon dioxide with bizarre nickel content. This diversity tells us that planetary formation varies dramatically across the galaxy. It raises the ultimate question: is our solar system, with its stable star, its diverse planets, its perfect conditions for life, common or rare? Right now, as you watch this video, 3I Atlas is completing its pass around the Sun. Whatever is happening to it at this moment, fragmentation, survival, or something we haven't anticipated, will be revealed in the coming weeks. In less than 2 months, we'll get our closest look at this ancient traveler before it leaves our solar system forever. Natural or not, comet or something stranger, 3I Atlas is a reminder that we live in a universe far more dynamic and mysterious than we often imagine. And sometimes, the universe sends us gifts, if only we're paying attention. This is a developing story. We'll update you as new images and data emerge. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what scientists discover when 3I Atlas reappears.